Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. For today's project, I'm going to be mounting two of these fuel tanks on the back of a Hummer H2. These tanks were provided by the customer and they have the mounting system with it, but we're not going to use most of that. He actually wants it to be cradled here, so we'll be using only this part to attach it up here to keep it from falling out. So follow along and we'll get this done. We got the pieces bent and I went on to cut the back for those and got it all tacked up. So I'll get everything welded. We're going to be putting a nut in here to thread in for the retainer. So follow along and we'll get these welded up. I'm trying a new disc today. If you can get the information off of that. It's a Pferd disc. CC grind robust. It's got a very thin profile. It's got a grip material, but not like a actual grinding disc, but not like a flat wheel. It's very smooth. There's zero vibration. Takes down the weld really quickly, but very controllable. Really happy with these so far. I'll see how long it lasts. I did buy these at Fireball Tool. Can't remember the cost, but you can go on their website, check it out. Now we have the two gas can holders pretty much complete, ready to weld on to the swing arm. So I removed the swing arm from the Hummer. We're going to cut the spare tire carrier off, clean all that up, and figure out our placement of the gas can holders. Weld those on and spray everything with bed liner material, and this part will be complete.
Oh yeah, it's coffee time. Can you smell it?
I'm here at Twice Daily on Old Hickory Boulevard near Interstate 24, Nashville, Tennessee. Got my coffee, black coffee, no cream or sugar. Let's give it a go. I'll give that a 7.3 out of 10. Now back to our regular video. Here's the bottom of the spare tire carrier that we're modifying. And just want to point out one note. They have weep holes on the top under where the spare tire rack is welded on, which is good. And they have weep holes in the bottom, but they're plugged. So you can see how this is rusting. I'm going to get those out of there, see how bad it is, but something, if you own one of these Hummers, you may want to check that to keep this whole thing from rusting out. Before I weld on the fuel tank carriers onto the arm, I'm going to spray all the surfaces with this. This is a Weld-through primer. I just got this at my local body shop supply. You can get it online or wherever. But every surface that'll be covered or welded through will be sprayed with this. And then the rest of it will be sprayed with spray-on bed liner. We got the carriers welded on. So I'm gonna finish cleaning those up and getting them prepped. And then we'll be ready. We're gonna spray them with bully liner. We have the bed liner material, and we have the special gun, the bully liner gun. So it's a water-based product. I've never used this particular product, but we're going to get it set up and give it a go. Well, that went easier than expected. Bully liner sprayed on really good. Super happy with the coverage. Easy to dial in the gun, so you could have just the right amount, sneak up on your thickness. Cleanup on the gun was very easy, much easier than I expected. So for the application side of bully liner, it's definitely a win. We'll see how it holds up in the real world use. Here's the final product. Everything went together really well. The customer's very happy with it. So now it's time to move on to the roof rack. That'll be in an upcoming video. Hopefully that'll be out in a couple weeks, so keep an eye out for it. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate it if you give me a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you on the next one.